Broken Dream of Babylonia. It was a land ready to nourish, gave birth to civilization, showed care, built cities for the lost kiddies. Tower of Babel, Garden of Eden, hanging gardens, fertile crescent, now a quagmire of lost souls, strangers killing the earth, and that's depressing. Among humanity, a collective duty was forgotten and neglected. We ignored Allah when He said, "Your source must be protected." We gave our rights to others to lead us down the garden path. They disobeyed the oath, took civil liberties, then had a reason to govern your mind and make you a victim of their treason. For thousands of years, Allah observes a bunch of unloving, unintelligent, inhumane, ruling over a land they don't deserve, creating a false narrative for life. Instead of realizing all you need is love and some bread, they deprived everyone of life and left kids in the poor corners of the world just living dead. My mellow words and mind had to look hard to find another way to be direct and truthful, as opposed to pretending happiness is mine while I remain unconsciously blind. All this now.